Yeah. ढूंढ ले. No, she don't want to respond. A very good morning to all of you. So I think so my screen and my voice is clear to you. Yes, sir. My voice and screen is clear to you.
Yes, sir.
Okay. So this is your 19th lecture on unit number 3. Unit number 3 is use of principles of directing and controlling or implementing the plans, and the unit outcome is nothing but the predict the possible mistakes for the completing the activities and elaborating the decision. This is the unit outcome, and that is nothing but uh, previous lecture we have seen all about the communications, effective communication, and etc. Now today's content is the personal counseling, and the personal counseling, the need for the personal counseling, and the qualities of supervisors as a counselor, also advanced prediction of possible mistakes. These are the agendas of your or content of your today's lecture. What is the personal counseling? The counseling of staff is becoming an essential function of the supervisor, or you can say the manager. Supervisor is counselor, mentor, and advisor of the worker. Where the work is going on at the floor level, the supervisor is the main head of the workers, and supervisor is nothing but the counselor, the mentor, and advisor of the workers. So if he does not get connected with the worker by our role, it is difficult to achieve the objectives. So supervisor should counsel them in proper direction. The direction mentor, he has to listen their problems and mentor them, guide them, and also advise workers in a proper manner. If he does not get connected with workers by our role, it is very difficult to achieve the organization goal or objectives. Counseling at a workplace is a way of the organization to care about its employees, to care about its employees. And apart from their personal problem, apart from their personal problem, there are various reasons which can create stress for the employees at a workplace. So, apart from their own problems, there are various reasons which can create stress for the employees at the workplace. So, if you define the counseling, The counseling of staff is becoming an essential function of supervisors. Supervisor is a counselor, mentor, and advisor of the workers. If he does not get connected with the worker by overall, it is difficult to achieve the objectives. Counseling at a workplace is a way of organizing to care about its employees or workers, you can say. Apart from their personal problem, there are various reasons which can create stress for the employees at the workplace. So why these stress is created? It may be personal reason, it may be organizational problem, it may be colleague worker problem, it may be some tools or machineries headache, it may be the workload headache, etc. It may be some other issue related to its personal problem or its some organizational problem, or maybe he is not getting at the work site. So why the need of the personal counseling is required? So that are the several reasons. Some reasons I have discussed now. So, the unrealistic targets or workload. Unrealistic target is target given by the supervisor. It is unrealistic, and he may think of that is the overloaded from the supervisor, or due to constant pressure to meet the deadlines, responsibility and accountability, conflicts between the worker or bad interpersonal relationship with the superiors and subordinates, problem is adjusting to the organizational culture. है ना? Organizational culture means the local worker are there, some workers are from outside, out of the state, out of country, or in many countries the workers are from many countries, and to adjust between the in the organization culture it is very difficult to some workers. Worker lose confidence in job, workers makes repetitive mistakes. Stress in work is also affecting the mental condition, also affecting the mental condition. Counseling helps the employee to share and look at his problem from a new perspective. The counseling helps the employees to share and look at his problem from a new perspective. All these stresses at the workplace, constant pressure to meet the deadlines, unrealistic target, conflict between interpersonal relations with the subordinates or the superiors, and less of confidence to do the work or to complete the task on the time. Also, the repetitive mistakes that will affect the mental condition of the worker. That's why the counseling is very necessary and is required. So generally, above the worker there is supervisor, and supervisor should be good counselor, good mentor, and good advisor. The supervisor should counseling the employees or workers, and counseling help the employees to share their problems as discussed above and look at his problem from a new direction or new perspective, and it helps him to overcome from these reasons. Now, what are the qualities of supervisor as a counselor? So, a counseling supervisor must demonstrate the leadership skills, must have expertise in his or her field, and the motivational approach. Also, the problem solving nature. These qualities are needed for the supervisors as a good counselor also. Because supervision can be a place where a living professionals breathes and learns. So professionals they can learn many things from the uh, many times student I told you they should join the lecture with their name. Still some students they are joining from other names. I will not allow them for the lecture. So motivational approach, the counselor or the supervisor should have motivational as well. They will encourage always encourage the workers or uh, because he has to achieve the certain target which are given by the management, and to achieve that target the work should be in a proper manners, and work will be completed on the time limits. That's why he has to be a good motivational approach also. He has to be good problem solving nature at the workplace. The problem may be the personal problem of the workers or maybe the organizational problem. Also, the counselor should possess positive thinking, and it should be a good communication skills and the ethical manners. So these qualities are needed for the supervisor as a good counselor. In the advanced prediction of the possible mistakes, what possible mistake can be done. As a successful supervisor, one must have logical skills and thinking ability to predict what mistakes are possible in future at a workplace, and the precaution for that should be taken, and the safety measures should be taken to avoid these mistakes. So that is nothing but you can say the advanced prediction of possible mistakes by the supervisors. So these mistakes may be predicted by the supervising the current working conditions. There are comparing deviation with the standard norms, analyzing the worker general work attitude, and the complexity of used uh, technology. So these a successful supervisors must have the logical skill and thinking ability to predict what mistakes are possible in the future at workplace. So the mistakes may be the predicted supervising the current working conditions based on the current working conditions. That mistakes may be the deviation with the standard, yani some values are set by the standard. Standards are set by the several experiments, and that standards values is to be compare with the what we are getting values, or what we are getting the outputs at our level. So comparing that with the standard values, and if we are achieving that, then that is the good, and you are getting the 100% efficiency. So deviation, generally, it may be deviation, it may be due to the quality problem, it may be the working condition or mental condition of the worker. He is working at the site, and its mental conditions also affect the quality of the result, quantity of the result, and may the deviation in the outcome will be observed, and then outcome will be compared with the company standard or the standards given by the some countries. Their codes are there. Based on the codes, you will compare based on the world standards that we compared. तो अगर हम देखेंगे, जो that standards are set by conducting many or several experiments, or due to his experiences. तो जैसे कि अगर हमको मालूम है कि अगर एक मेसन को एक हेल्पर दिया जाए और उससे अगर ब्रिक वर्क करवाए हम, तो कितना बरास ब्रिक वर्क होगा, ये हमको मालूम है ना। तो अगर एक मेसन और एक हेल्पर मिलकर एक ब्रास काम करते हैं, तो दो मेसन और दो हेल्पर मिलकर कितना ब्रास काम करेंगे? डेफिनेटली दो ब्रास काम करेंगे। ब्रास किसको बोलते हैं? 10 by 10 स्क्वायर फीट, यानी 100 स्क्वायर फीट इज इक्वल टू 1 ब्रास, इफ यू आर मेजरिंग एरिया ऑफ द वर्क, है ना। तो 10 by 10 स्क्वायर फीट का जो एरिया होता है, दैट इज 100 स्क्वायर फीट। 100 स्क्वायर फीट इज नथिंग बट 1 ब्रास इन एफपीएस सिस्टम। ओके, और अब स्क्वायर मीटर में हम गिने, तो अगर एक मेसन एक हेल्पर 3 स्क्वायर मीटर वर्क करता है, तो दो मेसन और दो हेल्पर कितना स्क्वायर मीटर वर्क होना चाहिए? इट मे बी 6 और मोर देन 6, क्योंकि नंबर ऑफ वर्कर्स दे आर इंक्रीज्ड। तो such standards are there at the workplace. कोई कंपनी में, मैकेनिकल कंपनी है, दे आर प्रोडक्शन 1000 bolt in a day, so that is the standard for that workplace, कि भाई एक दिन में 100 बोल्ट बनाते हैं, अरे 1000 बोल्ट बनाते हैं, तो फिर हमारा प्रोडक्शन तो 900 है, तो व्हाट हैपन, 100 bolts are less than the standard value we have set. So we will analyze that, we will compare with the standard values, है ना। So that is the nothing but due to that comparison we will come to know where is the problem. So that's why the comparing of deviation is very important, है ना। Supervising the current condition means whatever going on the side, you have to site or workplace, you have to supervise properly. You have to look after what the work is going on the right time, right direction. The pupils are working together in the harmony or not. The outcome of the product a product outcomes are as per the requirement or not, the quality is product quality is as per the requirement or not. So here all this prediction who will made, it will be made by the supervisor. If the successful supervisor is having a logical skills and thinking ability to predict what mistakes are possible in coming future, आने वाले दिनों में क्या प्रॉब्लम हो सकता है, क्या मिस्टेक्स हो सकती है, so that he will take the precaution about it. और ये कब कब होता है, जब उनको तजुर्बा हो काम करने का, एक्सपीरियंस हो काम करने का, तब उनको मालूम होगा. तो ये चीजें कैसे मालूम होती है, हमको लर्निंग से मालूम होती है, एक्सपीरियंस से मालूम होती है. या तो हम थियोरेटिकल नॉलेज है और उसको कंपेयर करें प्रैक्टिकल नॉलेज से, या हम प्रैक्टिकली वो स्टेज से गुजर चुके हैं. जैसे एक सुपरवाइजर है, वो पहले लेबर था, लेबर से फिर मैसन बना, मैसन से फिर सुपरवाइजर बना. तो ही नोज द प्रोसेस, कहाँ कहाँ पर मिस्टेक होती है एज ए लेबर, एज अ सुपरवाइजर. और फिर वो क्या करता है कि आगे भी ये मिस्टेक ना हो, तो उसके लिए क्या करता है, वो प्रिकॉशन करता है, प्रिडिक्ट करता है कि ऐसा ऐसा हो सकता है. वी हैव टू प्रिपेयर फॉर दैट, वी हैव टू प्रिपेयर टू कॉम्बैट. जैसे कि हम हमारे यहाँ पर भी डिजास्टर होते हैं, है ना, साइक्लोन है, अर्थक्वेक है ना. तो हम पहले से प्रिडिक्ट करके रहते हैं, जियोलॉजिकल स्टडी से हमको मालूम होता है कि यहाँ पर टेक्टोनिक मोमेंट हो रहा है, जो ज़मीन के अंदर डिफरेंट प्लेट्स है, वो प्लेट आपस में टकराती हैं तो अर्थक्वेक होता है, ये हमको मालूम है. तो कहाँ पर ये चांसेस ज़्यादा है, इसके हिसाब से थ्रू आउट द इंडिया वी आर डिसाइडेड द मैप. तो इसी द वर्क प्लेस पर भी हम जब काम करते हैं तो डिफरेंट वर्कर के साथ डिफरेंट कंडीशंस में, एज पर द प्रोडक्ट, एज पर द so due to that we can able to judge what could be happen in near future. Then the analyzing the worker general work attitude, comparing deviation in standard we discussed just now. Analyzing the workers general work attitude, the attitude of workers also affect your production capabilities, है ना. So that attitude of worker is analyzed by the supervisor, that you can say the successful supervisor. He is watching each and every workers and their attitude, their skills, what they are doing at the workplace. And that is the duty of that supervisor. That's why he has to analyze every time, the supervisor should analyze every time the workers' attitude and their behavior at the workplace, कि किस तरह वो काम कर रहे हैं, उनका बिहेवियर क्या है, उनका एटीट्यूड क्या है. If it is not good, then the counseling is required. If one is doing something wrong, then the counseling is required, and the counsel is nothing but the supervisor. The over worker, that is the supervisor, and supervisor has to mentor him, counsel him, and give him advice. So these are nothing but the to predict the mistake. This should be done by the supervisor. And sometimes the complexity of used technology, sometimes the technology or machineries we are using, or tools, sometimes tools we have to use. The workers at the start, or it may not understand the new technology. That complexity of that nature of the technology, how we can ease that by giving a training to the workers. ट्रेनिंग देकर हमको बासलाहियत बना सकते हैं इनको वर्कर्स. So that also may leads to the mistakes. The complexity of the technology may also leads to the mistakes. And what could be happen? The supervisor, by his own thinking, he can predict that in future that mistake can be happen. So today's lecture is very short. Is based on the counseling, that is personal counseling of the worker. काउंसलिंग कब जरूरत पड़ती है हमको? जब वर्कर ये फील करता है कि बहुत ज़्यादा काम है, मैं ओवरलोडेड हूँ, उसको काउंसलिंग की ज़रूरत पड़ती है. वो सोचता है एम टू मच स्ट्रेस, बहुत थकान महसूस करता है, बहुत सोचता है, वरी होता है कि कैसे काम होगा. तो गाइड, to counsel, to mentor, to advise, that is nothing but work of supervisor. So these conditions are at every workplace, in any type of organization, this condition arises. Sometimes you have to, you have the deadline that some certain bridge or project you have to complete in the 1 month only, and the length of bridge may be 50 meter. How you will complete in 1 month? Management एक planning करता है, you impose the planning to the supervisor that you have to complete the task in 25 days. 5 दिन मैनेजमेंट ने सेफ्टी के लिए निकाल लिए कि भाई कुछ प्रॉब्लम हो तो that 5 days में हम उसको ओवरकम. तो now the pressures on the to meet the deadline. सुपरवाइजर को भी रहेगा, वर्कर जो काम करते हैं उनको भी रहेगा, है ना? तो फिर वी आर थिंकिंग ऑफ द न्यू टेक्नोलॉजीज टू बी यूज्ड for shuttering, for concreting. We will use the ready mix concrete so that our time will be saved. So all these possibility at the workplace, that is unrealistic target workload, constant pressure to meet the deadline. There is responsibility and accountability. हर वीक में इतना काम, इतना प्रोग्रेस होना चाहिए. 50 मीटर अगर है तो 5 दिन में, यानी आपके 4 वीक में, 1 वीक में एटलीस्ट 13 मीटर और 15 मीटर आपका ब्रिज का काम होना चाहिए. तो ऑल दिस रिस्पॉन्सिबिलिटी एंड अकाउंटेबिलिटी यानी you separate the work in different, and that should be, you have to show that I authority that we have completed that task, whatever given by you. So due to that, there may be the conflict between the interpersonal relationship with the superiors, with the subordinates to the supervisor, and then workers also. The problem is adjusting the organizational culture. Also some problem. Some labor, they will not able to adopt the organizational culture, because कहाँ से वो आए, वहाँ का कल्चर क्या है, या ऑर्गेनाइजेशन में कल्चर क्या है. To cope up that culture, there is a problem. So all these problems or conflicts are arising at the workplace. And to understand these conflicts is nothing but uh, the quality supervisor. He will understand this problem and stresses of the worker, stresses himself also, and that will, the good supervisor will take care of that all the uh, things. And if you see that good supervision can be a place where a living profession breeds and learns. And good supervision जो है, जहाँ पर लोग सीखते हैं और सांस लेते हैं, जैसे हम बोल सकते हैं, दैट इज द कोट। और ये कब होगा? जब जब आप वाकई में यू आर knowledgeable person, you have the attitude to understand the feelings of the worker, you have the attitude towards completing the task with the good technology, you have the attitude to take or use the new tools available, then only you can cope up with such problems at the workplace. So that qualities of supervisors as a counsel needed at the workplace. So he must be a expertise in his field, knowledgeable person. He has a motivational approach, लोगों को encourage करने वाला approach चाहिए. He has a problem solving nature, जो भी problem है प्लस उसको resolve करने की ability चाहिए. And he is a positive thinker, as well as he should communicate with the people when and wherever needed. And you know that the ethical और इखलाकियात जो है, it matters at every place, at every place. It is not at workplace, every place. If your good ethics are there, then automatically you are doing the counseling of the pupils and the workers. So this we have seen today's lecture, the personal counseling need for personal counseling, and the quality of the supervisor. Also, the supervisor has the ability to predict the future mistakes. All these points we have seen today, and the final takeaway of the this today's lecture, you can say it is nothing but the personal counseling is very essential in management. Okay, manage the things in a proper manner, fulfilling the need of the organization is nothing but a uh, part of the counseling. That's why uh, to complete the task or activity or project of the organization on time, then these qualities are or these qualities should be with the supervisor as well as uh, managers also. That is nothing but the personal counseling of the worker at workplace is nothing but very essential to manage the things, and that is nothing but the management. Okay, so this is your uh, today's lecture. What are about you have discussed, and the learning manual is the reference for this lecture. You can see your manual. The manual is available on the internet also. You can download easily from the MSBT website. You will go to the e-content at the left side, bottom of the website of MSBT organization, and you can easily download the learning manual of MSBT. I'm also shared in your WhatsApp group. You can download from there. I study regularly so that wherever there your second test will be there, you should be prepared for that. So thank you for joining today. If you have any question, you may ask with me, or otherwise we will stop here. Very few students they are joining regularly, and many students they are not joining on time. I will request all of the students they should join the lecture on time so that uh, We will cover the syllabus and you can understand. Also encourage your friends to join the lectures because it is I'm seeing only 20 to 30% attendance, sometime less than that also. Why I don't know why the attendance is less, but I, I will request all of you that you should uh, join on time and join regularly so that you understand the subject. Okay, so if you have any doubt, you can ask with me. Otherwise, you will stop here. You have another lecture. I have another lecture. So thank you for joining today's class. And if you have, after reading the manual, if you have any problem or any doubt, you are not understanding anything, you can send me message on your personal WhatsApp or your in class or in classroom also you can ask. So we will stop here. Uh, if you have any doubt, you can ask. If you don't have any question, then we will do. Thank you for joining.